Rick again here with the Boathouse in YETI. Today we're going to talk about a 257 Fisherman from Grady-White. It's the first boat they sell with twin engines, mid-size boat, very easy to trailer, and you can certainly get offshore. We're up here in the bow section. I wanted to show you a couple things. You can walk all the way to the front. It does come with a full filler piece with a cushion. There's also a table, electric windlass anchor, which is very nice, and then you have nice long cushions on either side with the forward-facing backrest. Very comfortable for the family. We're at the helm section. We do electronics here at the dealership. Grady-White does not do those at the factory, so we're going to probably put a 12-inch touchscreen Garmin on this one, flush mounted. This one does actually have the Yamaha Helm Master from the factory with the autopilot. Nice feature, digital motors, and then we have the touchscreen digital Yamaha gauge. We've got a button for the anchor to manipulate the electric anchor from the dash. We have a great setup in the back of this boat for cruising or fishing. We have a nice bench, big enough for 2 adults for sure. You pull it up, you have a backrest that's built in, or a coaming pad if it's all the way down. When you have it down, you have a ton of foot space back here. Real easy panel to turn your battery switches on when you get into the boat. We have a pull-out freshwater hose, operates off the freshwater pump and freshwater system. Huge fish box, it's easy to get to for your catch of the day. And then you have a very big live well, circulating bait well over here to the right. All accessible, very easy to get in and out of. Back here behind the leaning post, we've got vertical rod holders on the seat, on the back of the post, and on the hardtop. So you got plenty of places to put rods. We also have lockable rod storage on either side. Back here we have a pull-out 65-quart cooler, easy to get to, slides right back in. And then you have a nice tackle station right above that. Perfect layout for cruising or fishing. This one's powered by a pair of digital 200 Yamahas. Got the custom engine paint to match the boat from Yamaha, the new digital electric steering, and the digital controls. We have an indoor showroom down here in YETI. Come see us. We'd be glad to show you all the Grady-Whites in person.